This is the barren landscape of Turkish Armenia, within sight of the Soviet border, over 1,000 miles from Homer's wine-dark Aegean. To these lands, the Turks migrated from the Central Asian steppe in the 11th century AD, bringing their ancient traditions with them. In the town of Kars, they still survive. Like Homer, these men are professional bards. They sing and play at weddings, feasts and funerals. They were brought up from childhood in the tuition of a master. This man, Şeref Taşlıoğlu, was given away at 7 years because even then it was seen he had the bardic gift. He is now a master. His repertoire includes 100 tales from the Turkish medieval epic of Kültürü, many of them over an hour long. He's singing from Kültürü now. Here in Kars, the audience sat for 3 hours, as long as we might sit in a cinema, thrilled by the playing and by the pathos of the singing. Here it is still possible to feel the spell worked by a bard when he has an audience who believe in his magic. However distantly, Homer did something like this 2,500 years ago when he sang the tale of Troy.